stuff, you know? Yeah, no. We made it to the lookout! Hello there, what's up? Today we start my move. So I'm going to the bank to get a check so I can pay for my lease and my deposit. And then I'm gonna drop it off at the place. Hopefully they let me see the apartment, but I don't think they will. And then I'm gonna start the packing process. Already got some bags from downstairs to put my clothes in. Yes, and a box for my shoes. And then I have this big box over here with a few other boxes to put stuff in. And then this stuff is Goodwill stuff. This stuff in the corner is some Goodwill stuff. And then we're gonna pack up my entire closet and get rid of some things too. Guys, I just got my check, my cashier's check. We're going to the apartment right now so I can pay for it.
Screenshot that and like lower
I showed
the exposure.
I showed this, I didn't show the front. So I can buy my apartment or like pay for my lease for my apartment and get it. And then maybe they'll let us see inside. I don't know. Wow, cool. It's a new day. I didn't finish off the vlog yesterday because all I really did was pack after we saw the place and edit some vlogs and pre-upload. Not pre-upload, but like upload for the next day. Yeah, that's all I did. And I packed up like more than half of my clothes in these bags. I have so many clothes. I probably should go through them and get rid of some. Today, I think I'm gonna vlog and we'll just like make it a combination 2-day vlog because we're going out into nature. I haven't had enough nature in my life lately and I'm doing a little hike. But before my little hike, I'm gonna go to Target because I gotta get some stuff for life stuff. Life stuff. Like I gotta get some almond milk. I need to get cat food. Oh my god. My cat hates me right now because I just gave him pebbles because he's out of wet food. More stuff like that. Face wash, body wash, not face wash, just body wash. Okay, I'm gonna take my vitamins. This one for stress because I get stressed out a lot. Then we have this one for immunity, and then we have this one, vitamin C. Almost done this one. These two are so I don't get sticky, no sicky, and this is also so I don't get sicky because I feel like stress makes people sick. I'm gonna take my vitamins. I'm gonna take. Oh, these ones are supposed to take like 2 a day throughout the day, but I always forget and I just take, same with this, I always end up taking 1 and then I take 2 of the vitamin C's. Yeah. 2 more. These ones are easy to swallow, those ones are kind of hard. I hate swallowing things. I hated swallowing stuff so much that as a kid I would use the chewable vitamins and I pretty much used those up until I just forgot to take them. But like even through middle school. We're gonna go to Target.
Go offended when you pull out your camera.
Yo, that's how we got kicked out of Target that one time. Anyway, shadows. We're on our way to, I wanna say it like a mom, Target. We're about to get my kitty sniffer some food. Cause I freaking did not get him his food. I'm ready for this Target life. Are you ready for the Target life? I haven't been to Target in like a month. It feels like a month. Yeah, I mean I go to Target a lot, but I just haven't been going to Target. Bro, buckle your seatbelt. Safety measures. Guys, I figured out the car that I'm gonna get next. It's between the Model X Tesla and this car right here. Let me get you a picture. It's a Range Rover that gets 31 miles of charge. Oh, wow. Not that I'm getting a new car anytime soon. Environmentally friendly. We made it to the body wash aisle. Body wash. I want the unscented one though. Will they have it? If not, I'll just get the scented. Oh, whale. Oh, whale. Get peppermint or lavender? Let's get lavender. I already have rose water, but this looks so nice. Wow. So does this. I really want this. Getting this for my diffuser. Diffuse this at night. Yeah. My cat's favorite food. We're gonna get 2 boxes of this. Casually checking out the home stuff. Ooh, this one looks nice. These bookends though. Wow, they're nice. So I was just looking at the kitchen supplies and I decided I want to do like a glass theme. So I want to get like glass bowls and glass plates. And also I lost Roland and I can't find him, but I'm about to get some milk. Some almond milk. Okay, update. So, had lunch. Pimples. And I got a smoothie. I didn't finish it. I put it in the fridge. I'm gonna finish it a little later. So apparently my video got flagged. The vlog that I was about to put live. I uploaded it to private, checked it before I put it live, and then I was gonna go on the hike. Basically, it got flagged for inappropriate whatever, which there's nothing inappropriate. Has there anything been I can't talk. There was nothing inappropriate. Like, there's never anything inappropriate in my video. I'm re-uploading it. Hopefully it doesn't get flagged again. If it does, I'm just gonna let it go live because I don't really care that much. I'm gonna post this video and then we're gonna go on the hike. Peace. Last time I came here, and I remember it was like 3 years ago, but I have a really good memory. I had a vlog of this on my old channel and we like went on a hike. It was such a fail. We were like, can't find it.
This is time for Julia's web redemption right here. Oh my god. That's like Julia has her old footage.
Dude, no, like
it was like it looked like it was long slow-mo. Black and white to the scene.
Oh no, we're getting closer.
Wait, are you sure that wasn't the parking back there?
Yeah, I gotta turn around.
Oh, what's this right here?
Some government.
Getty Villa. No, like me and Austin tried to climb this mountain thing over here.
Remember one time I was in the truck and I knocked over a stop sign. I just kept driving. I like knocked it right out the ground.
Oh my god.
I was dragged at the bottom of the truck. I'm like, oh god.
I feel like if I could find that old vlog footage of me being here, that would be kind of funny to show. Because I like tried to climb up this hill. Because I was like, I don't know what else we're gonna do. So me and Keena, the puppy at the time, she's like now a full grown pupper, but we climbed up here and then I dropped my water bottle.
I think you should actually make this like a real web redemption vlog and dig up that old one.
Yeah, I should dig it up. We're going on a hike. Where's that hike at?
The hike is in the Topanga State Parks. We are here and we are headed there.
So we're out of the garage. We're starting our journey. We got our handy dandy map over here. And it's routing us to the place. But what do we mostly need? What's most important on this journey?
That's it.
Water.
How do you feel now that you got a bunch of water?
I feel like I'm gonna be super hydrated on this hike.
There we go.
It's gonna be like
cake. There we go.
We're here. Look at these mountains. Keena's starting the journey. We're at Parker Mesa.
Oh, we are at Parker Mesa Overlook in Los Angeles. We took PCH to get here. It was a pretty easy drive, although there was a little traffic at the beginning of PCH.
A little bump in the road.
A little bump in the road, but welcome to Los Angeles. You know.
We failed a little bit.
We did fail.
Sitting here trying to figure out what to do. If we should climb up this little thing over here.
Yeah, like little, like this ledge. Yeah, like up there.
That. Or if we should find another situation.
Or go that way, right down the street, which is
that way. Really? I don't know if I can get all the way up.
I don't know, Keena. What do you think?
So when you come down, do you come down like this?
You come down like this? Yeah. Yeah, I guess.
Alright, that's not that bad.
Not bad. You got it, Julia.
But the problem was, I could have made it, but like it was too straight away.
Uh-huh.
There's nothing to hold on to.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. At least we know you're adventurous.
Am I really?
Yeah.
Found a little path to hike. We really tried. but this just isn't a hike. It's like a miniature hike. Wait, is that?
That looks like a spot right there.
Yeah, I thought that was like...
We just gotta come back.
For a second, I thought the graffiti was like handicapped.
Alright, we got here.
We getting it.
Feed me.
Alright, and we're gonna do it. Awesome, we found it. Let's go see Julia's Whoop Redemption, see if this is actually the right spot, if we're actually made it. Wait until we get there. Patience is a virtue, Julia. How many times do I have to tell you that? That's the new motto for 2018.
My problem is like I always want to hike, but then I go on the hike and I complain the whole hike. I'm like I really want to hike. I want to get some energy, some air, some nature, and then I get on the hike and I'm like, this sun is giving me death.
The sun is killing me.
Yeah, like I'm dying. I'm getting a headache. Like I didn't drink enough water. Like life's hard out here. But then I remember, you know, it's all good. Just exercise.
Let's go, Julie. Lead the way. This is your redemption.
Is that the way?
Where? Is it?
Is that an animal?
Really?
The way? Wow. Is it really difficult?
I don't think the climbing would be that bad, honestly. Yeah. Look, this is a moment of truth right here. This is where you accept the.
Okay, I guess we'll try it. Thanks. Should we do it?
Yeah, sure.
That's the voice of like a narrator, doesn't it?
Yeah, can we just follow you? Oh wow.
Yo, I might have to like pee on this hike.
Yeah, all right. This took an interesting turn for events.
So was it really worth it?
This just got real hard.
I just like, oh, y'all sure that one did this shit for we shot?
I mean, I think we can make it, dude. Like, I mean, if you guys really don't have faith, like,
This is like a straight incline. I know you do hard hikes, Rolly, but
this would be the ultimate vlog. What did we say? The 11,000 minutes of watch time. People aren't gonna want to watch 11,000 minutes of an easy hike.
Niggas said do or die.
I'm sorry. Ina, help me. Roland's laughing.
I have to film.
Help me.
Even if she falls.
Ina, help.
We have to have.
Throw a stick at her ass. Throw a stick at her.
Go up more. No.
Okay, look. I could do it if I didn't have such slippy shoes.
Here, look. I'll help you up with my hand. I'll do the hike backwards. How about that? Julia did not. This has not been redeemed.
Did you see the like camera jump? That was Roland slipping. Hey, we don't have the shoes for this.
I mean, I would have made it. I would have made it out.
Okay, I want to see you climb it real quick, and then if you can do it, then we all have to do it.
All right.
Naruto-san.
What?
We gotta come back down the same way though?
Right.
That's the real question.
Let's hope not. Dude, I'm not.
See? That's the thing.
You're gonna have a hard time.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said that. I wanted you to see for yourself.
I'm not gonna have a hard time at all, but like, I don't want to have to come back down this to help you at all.
Okay.
Yeah, bro, it's gonna suck. Traditional hike.
Traditional.
Tradition.
We're gonna do the traditional.
We gotta film this part because if I fall.
Oh yeah.
Put that in a thumbnail.
Do you want us to like help you or something?
Where redemption gone wrong.
I know, right?
when the where redemption turns out to be another fail.
I know.
Another part 3.
Another fail hike. Do you guys know many? Do you know how many freaking fail hikes I've had? I've had so many fail hikes, but this is not going to be a fail hike.
We gotta end up going the classic way. Julie's leading us once again on this web redemption.
I feel like there's a bee in my ear. Y'all.
Well, do you hear a buzz? Do you hear
inside
crack,
my ear?
junk?
I feel like there's a bee in my ear.
Want to go?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'll definitely have a piece of that apple, Dana. That looks delicious. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Man, all of them.
You guys, I kid you not, like, I swear, there's something in my ear.
Hit it out a couple times.
Damn.
We made it to the lookout! See, look out, look out. Woo. My camera's about to die, no. So if it dies and I get any more cool things to vlog, I'll be doing it on the iPhone. The good old iPhone. Huh, beautiful. I don't know if I can get the moon on camera right now, but there's a moon in the sky. Oh, there it is, the moon, right there. I love seeing the moon in the daytime. Sun right over hither. Hither there. There's the sun over there. So we just took a few view pics. Now we're gonna descend our journey back down to the car. Hey guys, it's the next morning. It's future editing Julia here, just letting you know that I want to end the vlog with you. Also, this might be the last time you see this room. Hopefully not, probably not, because I still have to like move shiz out, but yeah, so if you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Comment down below any like future adventures or vlogs you want to see, or like what type of vlog, I don't know, just comment down below your requests. And give this video a big thumbs up for more vlogs. Okay, my next vlog is probably, no, it's definitely gonna be a empty apartment tour of the new place that you got to see a sneak peek of a little earlier. So yeah, if you missed my previous video, you can click it at the end. I love you guys so much. Bye.